Hello children, today is our activity day. Today we are going to make a paper fish in the sea. Okay? For LKG. So let's start it. Let's see the ingredients first. Whatever we need to make this paper fish in the sea. We need some color papers like this. Some color papers. One marker or a black pen also, or a sketch pen also you can take. Scissor and glue. With this thing we will make the paper fish first. Then I will show you how to make the sea. So let's start to make paper fish. First we have to take a color paper which is in the shape of a square. After this we will join two corners by folding it, just like this. We have joined two corners by folding it. Then we will open this. Now we will join another two corners of this square paper at its opposite side. After joining this, you can see a cross is coming here. Now we will fold this paper like this so that the folding line can come just between this cross. After that we again fold this paper in the opposite side like this. Now you can see a beautiful star shape is coming on the paper. Now it will be easy to make the fish for us. What will we do? We will take the paper like this and we will fold it in such a manner so that the fish will come out. Okay. See? We get a triangle shape, isn't it? It's a triangle shape now. Now you have to do what you have to do. You have to take any of the side of this triangle and you can see a middle line over here, a middle line. Now you have to fold a side from this like this, another side from here like this, and turn the fish. Isn't it looking like a fish now? Yes. Now we have to make its eye and also mouth. With the pen or the sketch pen or the marker you can make this. So we have done the paper fish. Now we have to make the sea. To make the sea we need some more things. We need some blue papers, green papers and white paper. With this you have to cover this white paper with this blue paper, and after that you can decorate it with green paper. I have done for you. Let me show you. Yes, just like this children. Can you see? Isn't looking like a sea? Okay. So now after making this one, we will paste this fish on this sea. Yes, so let's paste the fish. See children, I made different colors of fish and different size of fish for you also. So we will paste all this on this paper. So put some glue under this fish and paste anywhere you want on this sea. Now children, we will make some bubbles to decorate this also. For this you need just a white paper. You can make balls on this paper and cut like this. I already have done it for you. So now we will paste this on the paper. So children, you can see we have finished this. Like this, you can do it also. Otherwise, it is your choice how you want to decorate this sea. If you don't have this color papers, you can take white papers and color them. And then you can make this fish in paper fish in the sea. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.